Okay, so what you are seeing here is a vacuum controlled remote control exhaust muffler valve. So when I press the on button, the vacuum pump in blue generates a vacuum suction, which in turn opens the butterfly valve on the muffler. So currently it's a straight flow. I can see shit. So currently it's a straight flow, but when you turn off the butterfly valve, you can see there's a hole right here. So when you turn off the butterfly valve, right, the exhaust gases travel through here and then out of the same exit again. So it becomes a S-flow exhaust, S-flow muffler. Sorry, S-flow muffler. So it becomes quieter. And then whenever you need to, just press the on button, and then the butterfly valve opens again, and it becomes a straight flow again. Closer look at the suction pump, vacuum pump, sorry. This is the on and this is the off button. So again, when you turn it on, it becomes a straight flow exhaust, and you can see, and then your exhaust gas will pass through this straight pipe here. Then when you turn it off, you can see there's a hole right here. Your exhaust gas will pass through here and then out of the same exit again.